see. So there is a scenario comparison, and I'm not gonna go in a lot of detail doing scenario comparisons because we did cover this in quite detail in our previous trainings, both D1 and D7. Uh, but this is just to let you know that that this is something that you can do. So let's say if you have created two scenarios and you want to compare to see what was changed between these two, or if you want to simply compare outputs between the two, that there is a way to compare these two networks. So maybe let me quickly show you this. I won't do much analysis based on that, but just to show you how to go about this. So let me close this for now. And let's say we want to compare 2045 and 2015 network. So start with your 2045 network. So once that is open, you can go to the file menu and go to compare and transfer network, and then select the first option, compare current network with version file. And then you can select the version file that you want to compare it with. So let's say, let me go here, and I want to compare it to the 2015 network. So you can say that. And then this option is asking which version file is the base. So the one that I selected, that is the base. So, you can say version file is base, and then just say okay. And it will start comparing the two networks. It just takes a few seconds to complete this. And once it is done, it would show you this nice interface of which is sort of a summary of what all was changed between the two networks. So let's say if we click on links, so it would say between 2045 and 2015, 3,000 links were added and some 200 links were deleted. And since there might be some pre-saved data, so pretty much all links were sort of modified in some way, right? And among the modifications, it would show you very detailed information, which field was actually modified. So let's say if you want to check out, if the number of lanes was changed on which links. So if you simply click on that, it would highlight all the links where the number of lanes were changed between 2015 and 2045. So it's a very useful feature to compare networks and to review changes and to visualize them on the network. There are a lot of other things that you can do with network comparisons, and we're not gonna go into detail here. But this was, just to show you what all is possible. Oops. Okay, so let's go back to the slideshow. So we did compare two networks. Yeah, so I think the main thing is that you get access to fields from both the network in your, let's say, linked list or any other network objects. And then you can draw, visualize the differences using the data from both the networks. And again, if you are interested in knowing more about how to do scenario comparisons or how to create these visuals, you can go back and check out D1 and D7 trainings where this was covered in quite detail. So you can go there, and there are recordings from those trainings available. Okay, so I think we did go through this, how to visualize the changes, and I think that's all for this first session, or the first half of this session. We saw how to create scenarios, how to run the scenarios, and then we looked at some how to various model outputs and how to create visuals or analyze your model outputs, and we got a quick peek into how to compare two networks.